Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a comparison of three popular digital photo frames for 2025. Aura Frame, Frameo, and Nixplay. If you're in the market for a photo frame that will keep your memories alive in a sleek, modern way, you're in the right place. Let's see how they stack up. Aura Frame. Starting off with Aura Frame, this one's designed for those who want a premium, hassle-free experience. Aura is known for its high-quality displays and the stunning clarity of photos it can show. The frame features a full HD display that delivers vibrant, true-to-life colors, and it automatically adjusts the brightness based on the room's lighting, making it a top contender for those who want a high-end, no-fuss device. One of the standout features of the Aura Frame is its easy setup. You can quickly upload photos directly from your phone using the Aura app. Plus, it's wireless, so you won't have to worry about cords or cables cluttering up the space. You can share photos with friends and family, and they can add images to the frame from anywhere. Aura also boasts unlimited storage for your photos, which is a huge bonus if you want to keep adding pictures without worrying about running out of space. However, Aura's pricing tends to be on the higher side, which may be a consideration if you're budget conscious. Next up is Frameo. This one's a bit different from Aura because it's not a brand of frame itself, but rather a photo sharing app that can be used on a variety of third-party frames. Frameo's appeal lies in its flexibility. It's a great option if you want more choices when it comes to selecting a frame. You can get a frame from various manufacturers that supports the Frameo app, and the app makes it easy to send photos to the frame directly from your smartphone. What's great about Frameo is its user-friendly interface, which is simple to set up and use. Plus, there's no need for a subscription, unlike some other brands. You just need the app and a Wi-Fi connection to start sending photos to the frame. It's a more affordable option compared to Aura, but the trade-off is that it doesn't have the same high-end features or display quality. Frameo is a solid choice for those who want a customizable and budget-friendly digital frame, and it works well for casual use. Nixplay. Finally, we have Nixplay, a very popular digital frame that combines great quality with some powerful features. Nixplay offers high-definition displays with a sleek design, making it perfect for showcasing photos and videos. With Nixplay, you can upload your photos via the Nixplay app or a computer, and it also supports cloud storage, so you don't have to worry about running out of space. A unique feature of Nixplay is its ability to integrate with other smart home devices like Amazon Alexa, making it easy to control the frame using voice commands. It also has an option for video playback, allowing you to upload videos along with your photos, which is a nice touch if you want a dynamic display. One of the perks of Nixplay is that you can send photos to the frame remotely, which makes it a great option for families who want to share moments in real time. The downside, however, is that it requires a monthly subscription to access all of the cloud features, which can be a bit of a drawback for some. Comparison breakdown. Let's quickly summarize the key features of each frame. Feature, Aura Frame, Frameo, Nixplay. And good display quality, cloud storage, display quality, full HD, great color accuracy. Depends on third-party frames. HD, good display quality. Unlimited cloud storage, varies with third-party frames. Cloud storage, subscription required for full features. App, Aura app, easy to use. Frameo app works with multiple frames. Nixplay app, cloud integration. Setup, simple and wireless. Simple depends on frame choice. Easy, cloud-based setup. Price, higher end, premium pricing. Affordable, depends on frame. Mid-range pricing, subscription for full features. Video playback. No video support, no video support. Yes, video playback supported. Voice control, no voice integration. No voice integration. Yes, Alexa integration. Best for those seeking premium features and quality. Budget-conscious users who want flexibility. Those wanting both photos and video display with smart home integration. Final verdict. Go with Aura Frame. if you're looking for a premium product with high-quality display and unlimited storage. It's perfect for those who don't mind spending a bit more for an effortless experience. Frameo is a great choice if you're on a budget and want flexibility. It gives you control over the frame you choose while still offering simple, no-fuss photo sharing. Choose Nixplay if you want a balanced option with features like video playback and smart home integration. Keep in mind the subscription cost for cloud storage if you want to use all the features. That's a wrap for today's comparison of Aura Frame, Frameo, and Nixplay. Let me know which one you would choose in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this helpful. Catch you in the next video.